So we kind of both know this, don't we? Property makes people rich. Part of the Times rich list, multimillionaires. We both know this. Property allows people to become wealthy, financial freedom. But there's going to be a lot of worries about it. It's too risky, I can't find any deals in my area, I don't have any money to start, properties are too expensive in my area. How do I know if I've got enough knowledge to start? Am I making the right choices? Because I don't know enough. These are all, I think, really legitimate concerns. So, let's talk about how property can make you money, and let's talk about how to solve those problems, shall we? Okay, how about $4,800 from a simple deal packaging fee, James Close, one of my early ones, but how nice was that to get the cash in to keep going? How about 15 grand for Argyle Street? That was a set of 4 flats. How nice to get the cash in. How about buy to sell? On my first 42 buy to sells, guess what? We made £402,000 more than we planned. That was quite useful. But also, raising finance. I raised millions, I did tons of joint ventures, and I'll talk you through the simple step-by-step process I used to get to that end result. So, what's your next step? Join me in this free webinar. Why? Because I'm going to show you a ton of stuff. I'm going to show you the simple, step-by-step professional processes to get yourself to the position where you're making money in property. Buy to sell. You can make a ton. Anne-Marie, 78,000, Arthur, 103,000, following my processes. Raising finance, we all need a little bit of help sometimes. I raised millions, did a ton of joint ventures. Deal sourcing, we did £45 million worth of property, sourced for 30 million quid before refurb in 4.5 years. I kind of know a thing or two about how to find discounted deals. Register now to take part in this webinar, and I look forward very much to walking you through the simple processes that you can copy to get started or continue your journey in property. Register now.